Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open Excel on mobile. First, ensure you have the Microsoft Excel application installed on your smartphone or tablet. You can easily find it in your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account. This step is crucial for accessing files stored in OneDrive or other cloud services. After signing in, you can navigate to your desired Excel file, whether it's saved locally or in the cloud, and simply tap it to open. Once your Excel file is open, navigating is intuitive. You can use standard touch gestures, like pinching two fingers together to zoom in or out, and swiping left or right to move across your worksheet. To edit, simply tap on any cell to select it. A keyboard will appear, allowing you to input data directly or use the formula bar for more complex entries. The mobile app provides many familiar editing tools, conveniently located in a streamlined ribbon interface. Saving your work on mobile is straightforward. If your file is stored in a cloud service like OneDrive, Excel typically auto-saves your changes as you work, ensuring your data is always up to date. For files stored locally on your device, you can manually save by tapping the three dots or menu icon and selecting the Save option. Sharing is also simple. Just tap the share icon to send your spreadsheet via email or other messaging applications, collaborating with ease. To enhance your mobile Excel experience, here are a few helpful tips. For maximum screen real estate, you can hide the ribbon by tapping the arrow icon, giving you a much larger view of your spreadsheet. If you're working with extensive data, the Find feature is incredibly useful for quickly locating specific information. For those who do a lot of typing, connecting an external Bluetooth keyboard can significantly speed up data entry and improve accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.